Hi hon, welcome to another video on my channel. I know I look like a hot mess and honestly I don't even care at this point. From the country that is showing me shege to this dry season that my body is just not agreeing with, like I'm not even surprised that I look this raggedy, but honestly I don't care. Anyway, in this video I want to show you just my go-to dry season routine. It's exactly the same routine that I used last year around this time, where I did a very moisture intensive wash day and then I put my hair in mini twists just so that I'll be able to keep my hair and my scalp moisturized throughout this dry season. That's why I had to take down my bubble braids so that I'll be able to do a hairstyle where my hair is more reachable, because my hair was within the bubble braids literally. So if I wanted to re-moisturize my hair, I couldn't. I carried the bubble braids for 2 weeks, and for those 2 weeks I didn't moisturize my hair. In this kind of season, the dry season, it's very important for you to be able to keep your hair moisturized and all. So yeah, the bubble braids had to go. But what is funny is that my hair is literally not even dry. Like I didn't even spray water at all. And that's something I usually do, but my hair is literally still moisturized. Like it still feels soft. I can still feel the product inside, and that's insane. The moisture routine that I did before doing my bubble braids, I'll link that in the description. It's a very simple 3-step moisture routine. These twists were the anchor for the bubble braids. Essentially, I'm just taking down the foundation, right, so that I can wash my hair thoroughly, give my hair a very nice deep cleanse, and then moisturize my hair, and then put it in mini twists. Alright, so I'm finally done washing and deep conditioning my hair. Thanks to this microfiber towel, my hair is practically dry at this point. This microfiber hood, I don't know, man. It just sucks all the moisture, all the water out of your hair. I think this has been wrapped on my head now for about 15 minutes or so, and look at the results. No drip, nothing. My hair is just ready to go. I have this many scrunchies on my wrists because I want to divide my hair into 8 sections and do my mini twists little by little, section by section. You catch my drift? Okay. First, I'm going to divide my hair into two. Oh my gosh, my hair feels so soft. I love it. All right, now I'm going to divide this section into two. Okay, next I'm going to divide this into two. I'm just going to keep this section. Now divide this section into two. All right, so I'm going to repeat this on this side of my head. All right, so up next, I'm going to start with this section. I don't know, I always like starting with this section when I'm doing my hair. Then I'm going to take my leave-in conditioner from Shine Organics. If you can't tell by now, I am obsessed with this brand. Look at them curls. Come on. It's giving instant moisture. Next, I'm going to seal in all of that hydrating, moisturizing goodness with this hair cream. It's a water-based hair cream, which makes me love it even more. I hate all those like super greasy, buttery like hair creams where they'll just mix like, you know, all the butters, shea butter, mango butter, all the butters together, and it's just one big thick oily greasy thing. Nah, this one is water based, okay, and it also contains flaxseed gel and aloe vera gel, so my hair is eating good. Now that the section is fully moisturized, I can go ahead and start twisting. I think one of my favorite things about mini twists is the fact that the pattern doesn't really matter. Like, you don't need super neat patterns for your mini twist to make sense because it's mini. Like, the pattern is not even going to be visible unless you have like really thin hair, which I don't. So I've never really felt the need to pay too much attention to my pattern. Okay, now because this is my back hair, my back hair is just extremely soft, very coily, like it's basically 4A. I like to braid first before I twist, but everywhere, like once I get to the thicker parts of my hair in the middle, I just twist straight from the roots. But for this part, I'm going to braid a little bit first. All right, so I've done braids to some extent. Now I'm going to start twisting. Now, one thing I do when I'm twisting my mini twist is that I try not to twist too tightly. Most people twist like really tightly, and I don't know, I don't like the way that looks. It just makes my hair look thinner, right? But if you're going for volume, like you want your mini twist to be like swollen and voluminous when everything finally dries down, you want to twist loosely, okay? And then once you start approaching the end of the twist, instead of twisting all the way to the end, just twirl it between your fingers. And you'll have something that looks like that. Alright, so we are already moving upward. We've left the lower line of my hair. So from this point on, I am not going to be braiding the roots. I'm just going to be twisting from the roots. So I'll divide the section into two, and then I'll start twisting. But I'll make sure that I start twisting tightly. Like the roots, I'm going to twist tightly. Sure. Right? Now, after I've twisted tightly for a, you know, for some distance, then I'll now start twisting loosely. Oh, I can't wait for the finished product. Ooh. I have explained how I'm going about my twisting. I get it, you get it, we all get it. Doing my hair without watching something is extremely boring for me. I'm gonna go now and continue watching my latest flame, The Resident, on Netflix. All right, so I'm done with all the mini twists all over the rest. But when I got to the front, I had an idea. I decided to not do just regular old twists in the front. So I'm gonna do this like side part braids, like cornrows on like this way. You know what? I'll just, let me just do it. All right, so it's been a few minutes since I've had all my hair in the scrunchies. What I want to do now is I want to oil my scalp, and of course, you know, I'm going in with my Growth Magic scalp oil from Shiny Organics. Very, very rich. 5 oils, 10 herbs, just very, very rich stuff. Okay. Just gonna go ahead and massage that in. All right, so it's time for the big reveal. Ooh. Ooh. He's looking cute. I like it. Picasso. Very proud of myself right now. Oh my goodness. Now my hair is fully moisturized and it's in a protective style. My scalp is nourished and well taken care of. So I think I'll be good for the next like 10 to 14 days, right? Before I would need to remoisturize my hair again. Mini twist is one hairstyle that I swear by when it comes to length retention, moisture retention, and just generally keeping your hair just nice and healthy. Okay, so yeah, for me, for a lot of people, the dry season is silk press season, straightening season. For me, the dry season is mini twist season, okay? Because I can easily re-moisturize my hair, I can easily access my scalp, and you know, because of shrinkage, my hair is just around my shoulders. So it's easy for breeze to blow me very well when it gets super hot. And it's also going to be very easy for me to just like pack on my hair up or to the back if it gets really hot. And of course, there are so many different ways that I can style this hairstyle. It's just so versatile, so freeing, so easy to deal with, and I just love it. Okay, so if you are, you know, looking for a very nice easy hairstyle to do during this dry season period that will look really good and still allow you to take proper care of your hair, mini twists or any variation or version of it is a go-to, an absolute banger, now, always, and forever. Okay, so make sure you give it a try. Thank you so much for watching this video up until the end. Now, if you are looking to learn more about how to use protective styles to grow your hair long and healthy, make sure you watch this video right here. You're gonna love it. I'll see you there.